Hello world, Lisa Fredrickson here, your friend and computer science professor with another short screencast about access error messages. And have you ever received the error message when you try to delete a record that looks like this? The record cannot be deleted or changed because some table includes related records. And you click OK. So this goes back to relationships. One employee can have many orders. I'll show you this in the relationship screen, database tools, relationships. One employee can have many orders. If I delete that employee ID 1, then all my orders that are associated with employee ID 1 are going to be related to an employee that doesn't exist. If I open up the orders table and look at this field called salesperson, I see a lot of ones there. If I go into design view of the orders table, this employee ID field is captioned salesperson. That's really the employee ID field, foreign key field to the employees table is shown by the relationship screen. So one employee can have many orders, and that's what's represented in this employee ID field that's captioned salesperson when I look at it in datasheet view. So if I deleted employee ID 1, look at all the records, look at all the orders that would be orphaned, meaning it would be a record that exists that does not have a parent on the one side of a one-to-many relationship. So whenever you get that error message that you're trying to delete a record and you cannot delete it because another table includes related records, you say, thank goodness. That is Access protecting us from making changes to the database that are really not appropriate, because we don't want to have records in the orders table that do not have a connection to an employee in the employees table. Now let me say one more thing. If you remove referential integrity on this relationship, I'm going to double click that relationship line and delete the referential integrity. If that does not exist, it's still a one-to-many relationship. Without referential integrity, when I open up the employees table and try to delete this record number 1, even though it has many related records in the orders table, look what's going to happen. You are about to delete one record. Now I don't want to do that, because if I deleted that record, I would orphan all of those orders in the orders table that were connected to employee ID 1. I'm going to very carefully say no here and go back to the relationship screen, double click that relationship line and enforce referential integrity, which will prevent us from creating orphan records in our database, which is oh so helpful. An orphan record is defined as a record in the many table that does not have a parent in the one table, hence the term orphan record. So while we don't care to see error messages on the screen, this one is actually very helpful. We do not want to be deleting records in a table that has related records in another table. Thank you.